Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into a review that blends nostalgia with modern utility. We're talking about the 2025 GMC 100 Deluxe Vintage Truck, a vehicle that honors its roots while offering some contemporary upgrades. Whether you're a fan of classic trucks or just someone who appreciates good design, this one is bound to grab your attention. So, stick around as we explore everything this retro-inspired beauty has to offer. To begin, let's take a moment to admire its design. The front end immediately takes you back to the golden age of pickups. The chrome grille is a striking tribute to the original GMC 100 series, with bold horizontal slats and a vintage GMC emblem at the center. It's flanked by rounded LED headlights that integrate classic aesthetics with modern functionality. Below that, the sturdy bumper adds a sense of ruggedness, blending seamlessly with the retro vibe. The designers clearly paid attention to detail, ensuring that this truck doesn't just look good but also performs in line with today's expectations. Moving to the side, the profile showcases clean lines and a two-tone paint scheme reminiscent of vintage trucks. The wheel arches are subtly flared, giving the vehicle a robust stance. The chrome side mirrors, door handles, and window trims enhance the retro appeal, while the modern 20-inch alloy wheels ensure this truck is firmly rooted in the 21st century. Another great touch is the GMC 100 Deluxe badge on the front fenders, a nod to its classic lineage. The side steps are functional yet stylish, making it easier to climb into the elevated cabin. At the back, the tailgate design truly stands out. The embossed GMC lettering adds a nostalgic charm, while the sleek LED taillights bring a modern touch. The truck bed is equipped with a durable spray-on liner, making it ready for both work and play. The chrome rear bumper not only looks good but also houses integrated parking sensors and a hidden tow hitch, adding functionality without compromising the aesthetic. Step inside, and the interior continues the theme of blending vintage styling with modern convenience. The dashboard features a dual-tone design with retro-styled gauges that are fully digital, allowing you to customize the display while maintaining the classic look. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather, featuring a vintage GMC logo at the center. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather with quilted stitching, providing both comfort and luxury. Technology-wise, the 2025 GMC 100 Deluxe doesn't disappoint. The center console is dominated by a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. Below it, you'll find retro-inspired rotary dials for climate control, blending old-school charm with modern tech. Other highlights include a premium Bose audio system, a wireless charging pad, and multiple USB-C ports for added convenience. The cabin space is generous, offering plenty of legroom and storage compartments to make it practical for everyday use. Under the hood, the 2025 GMC 100 Deluxe packs a modern punch. It's powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine that delivers 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling off-road trails, this truck feels responsive and capable. There's also an optional 3.0-liter Duramax diesel engine for those who prioritize fuel efficiency and torque for towing. Speaking of towing, this truck boasts a towing capacity of up to 9,600 pounds, making it as functional as it is stylish. The suspension system has been fine-tuned for comfort, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough terrain. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base model of the 2025 GMC 100 Deluxe starts at $55,000, which is quite competitive for a truck in this segment. Fully loaded with all the bells and whistles, it can go up to $70,000. While it's not the cheapest option out there, you're paying for a unique blend of vintage charm and modern features, which justifies the price for many buyers. If there's one suggestion we'd make, it's that GMC could consider offering more customization options, like additional paint schemes or vintage-inspired accessory packages. These could further enhance the appeal of this truck for enthusiasts who want to make it their own. As we wrap up this review, it's clear that the 2025 GMC 100 Deluxe Vintage Truck is more than just a vehicle, it's a tribute to automotive history. It's perfect for anyone who values a mix of style, performance, and practicality. Whether you're a collector or someone looking for a dependable truck with a unique personality, this one checks a lot of boxes. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 GMC 100 Deluxe. Would you add it to your garage? Until next time, drive safe and take care.